Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen in the last week, there is a sharp fall because of the tariff, as well as the tariff is paused for this particular week. So we have seen a green candle. There's two candles, we have seen a big candles. If you look at this trend, we have not seen a big candle from long. This is the big candle we have seen, this is the big candle we have seen, but this is the most biggest candle we have seen after the Trump has been elected and the tariff is being announced. As soon as the tariff is announced, we have seen a sharp fall, and then after a pause we have seen an upside movement in the price of silver and gold. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, it can go further upside towards a level of 33.4, and once sustain above 33.4 we can see a further high. But if the price started falling below a level of 30.6, we can see the price will go further low, and from there it will move below a level of 28.6, and chances of going further down will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. Continuous downfall we have seen, and chances can be high if the price, see, we can see a bounce back from this particular level, and then it will fall below a level of 99.5, because this 99.5 is already weak. So chances are high the price will fall further down and it will touch a level of $98.8. If the price falling below this level, we can see the price will go further down towards 97.3, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 97. Suppose if the price started falling below this level, we will see a level of $94.5 and then a further low. But if the price sustain above this level, it can move towards $101, and if that sustain, a further upside towards 102.6. If the price going above that level, a further upside we can see towards 104.7, and then a further upside towards a level of $105.5. Okay, and once the price going above this level, we can see level of 106.5 and then further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see a further downfall below a level of. Okay, coming back, you have to understand, when the dollar index started going upside, we can see the price of silver comes down, gold comes down, natural gas comes down, crude comes down. But if the dollar index started going down, all these silver, gold, crude, natural gas goes up. Okay, but you have to understand that sometimes they both moves in same direction. They are inversely related, but they sometimes both moves in same direction. So in that case, whenever you start a trade, put your SL so your capital will be safe, and trail your SL so your profit will be safe. This you have to do. Coming back again on the silver price, what we can see, the silver price of this week we have seen a rise, so chances are high it can go further upside towards next resistance, that is 32.7, and if that sustain, we can see the price can touch a level of around 33.2. Suppose if the price going above that level, probability of touching 33.4 will be there, and if that sustain, we will see the price can go further upside towards $34.5. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further upside, and yes, after that probability of touching 35 we can see, and then it can go further upside. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards this next support, that is coming at a level of 31.5, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $30.9. If the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching $30 will be there, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 29. Keeping that in mind, because see, there is a chances that as soon as the price started going below a level of 30, chance of touching 29.5 we can see, and from there it will move towards $28.8. After 29.5, chance of touching 28.8 will be there, and then it will go towards 28.4, and chance of breaking out from this zone will be there, and then it will move below a level of 28. So we can see there will be a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.